Hello. I am back with another video because today I received a VIP tea post from Bird and Blend. So I'm assuming that this is December's package because I received one for November, but I did not receive my one for December, probably just because it was super busy, the mail this year. Let's see what it says. The artwork is so cute. I love that. Yes, this is the December one. It's finally here. It's time to get Christmas movies on, get snuggled up by the fire, and relax. Well, it's a little late for that. This is in the UK. So you can imagine it probably did take, a little while. Sorry, I'm playing with lighting here. Probably did take a little while to have this come in all the way from the UK, especially with all of the, I think that's better, with all of the packages and stuff. But the artwork for this month says about this month's artist. Neve Reynolds is a creative based in Nottingham. Her work is mainly focused on helping others to live a sustainable and aesthetic lifestyle. Her practice is varied, but focuses on ceramics and illustration. You can find more on her work on her Instagram at Wild Earth. So, very cute. So this month, it says Hazelnut Roysher. So this is a black tea, with or without milk. The most luxurious of Christmas chocolates, those little gold-wrapped nuggets are the true sign every year that holiday festivities have began. Try our roasted hazelnut and smooth chocolate black tea blend and keep your eyes out for the golden nuggets that make your cuppa sparkle too. Fancy. So it has little gold nuggets in it that makes it extra festive. Buttered toffee popcorn. Pop the kettle on for this sweet treat. Butter toffee popcorn is perfect pairing with a cozy Christmas movie. And then the last blend I received was cherry cola. It says, enjoy this spiced and tangy taste of our favorite childhood classic pick and mix sweet. Bursting with cherries, this is the perfect brew to take you down memory lane. No milk on that one. And that is the cherry cola bottles is a fruit tea. The buttered toffee popcorn is a rooibos blend. And the hazelnut Roysher is obviously black tea. So, yeah. That is the card. And inside the little envelope is just your teas. So, November's came in these packets too. I'm hoping that my January envelope gets here. I'm hoping that it gets here soon. But nevertheless, these are Bird and Blend is an excellent tea company. Their teas are very good. So regardless of whether it's technically considered a Christmas tea or not, I will drink it. So that is my Bird and Blend tea subscription packet for the month of December 2020. And we will see what 2021 has in store for us later this month. So thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.